Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone V55G with immersive refined design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, with 6.77 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels, approximately 88.5% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 388 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+. Color quality support, and with diamond shield glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 23mm main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.0. For selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 15 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 3 years of major Android upgrades and up to 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, 4 nanometer chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB. 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 on board. Storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.29 by 76.72 by 7.39, 7.57, 7.67 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options: rose red, titanium gray, mist purple, starry blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 90-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP68, IP69 dust-tight and water-resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo V50 has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 139,999 Pakistani rupees, while 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 149,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 34,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 36,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo V50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.